Question of the day, mother truckers. How many of you have popped one of your trailer tires and still made it to the repair shop because you guys were like a mile or extremely close to where the shop can repair it? Mother truckers, comment down below. Now, the reason why I asked this question is because my good friend, he messaged me on TikTok, and he makes TikTok and YouTube videos. I have descriptions right there on the screen. Make sure you follow him and subscribe. Now, here's the thing. He's a hotshot truck driver. He saw that this truck driver was having problems and trying to make it to the repair shop. The truck stop was pretty much half a mile away. And so what did he do? He put his four-way flashers on, and he let that owner-operator move over and then went slow with his four-ways and helped them to get to the repair shop safely. Now, mother truckers, here's the question he's asking. Did he do the right thing or the wrong thing? Because at times it could be dangerous. You got to pull over right away. But other people are saying it's more dangerous for that truck driver to be on the side of the road. And of course, as owner-operators, man, when you got a trailer tire that's out, you still have another tire, so you can make it there. But is that safe? And should you just pull over? It's going to cost you more to call the Loves or wherever you're at to have some guy come over there to repair it. It's going to cost you double the money. Mother truckers, comment down below and let me know, did my man do a good thing or a bad thing? But overall, I love to see brotherhood and see truckers helping out other truck drivers.